So during so I'll just explain how we use our inside agent thing. Okay, so before inside agent over there, we used to manually download the multiple dashboards and pivot it and then try to understand the data, how's my campaign performed. It actually we used to spend 4 to 6 hours per account uh, for this. Okay, so and there are always a chance of errors in the formulas where my teammates are just dragging dropping copy pasting the formulas. So there are always a high chance of errors. So after inside agents, actually it saved our time. Okay, we simply started giving questions to inside agent like summarize my last 90 days campaign, identify my underperforming segment, show revenue trends across channel, and many more. Okay, so we as a team do a lot of time spending on inside agent, ask silly questions, and sometimes we get answers, sometimes we don't. Okay, but yeah, it has actually worked for us while it has reduced our time 10 to 10 hours a week. It is generating faster report, it's more accurate, and we are now spending more time to strategies and recommendation. Okay, so inside agents is helping us to move from manual reporting to intelligent decision making. I'll give you an example how we implemented a smart intelligent decision making using inside agents during Valentine's. Basically, what we did is we asked inside agent, what was my last year's Valentine's Day performance, given a date from 1st February to 14th February. It gave us performing campaign. It also gave us few segments which has performed well, which has not performed well. Okay, so after that, seeing this and reporting within 5-10 minutes. Okay, we little deep dive and come to the conclusion that after seeing the creative which has the top performing creatives, we come to the conclusion that a section called gift for him and gift for her has performed very well. So we turn this into our campaign theme itself for 2026, and it has actually worked. You can see here I have added a screenshot of my website app page and the first emailer or the email theme which we have adapted, where we are talking about romantic gifts for him, and we are talking about romantic gifts for her, and we have added sections where these sections have the maximum CTR provided by inside agents. Okay, and this actually has given us 3x engagement, where our open rate were gone up from 25% to 40%, and our CTR has gone up 3x from 0.2% to 0.6%. Okay, and it's similarly our website conversion rate has increased by 20% compared to last year. So this is how we are using inside agent. We are similar things we have used for Women's Day. We are currently using it for Mother's Day, and it's actually helping us. We also have something in as Par showed that we have inside agent in journeys as well. We are currently working on it, and it's just a matter of clicks. We go on the journey what we want to check, and we click on the co-marketer thing, and this is the result it is giving me. It is showing me my last 3 months revenue, what is working, what is not working, performance decay detected, performance signals. Optimization plan is also suggested by marketer. So this help us to take actions basis on the analysis given by them.